Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a quick little video for you. I wanted to share with you my top 3 foundations. Before we get into this video, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I'm currently trying to grow my audience. I really want to reach as many subscribers as I can and help grow this channel, so please help me out with that by clicking the subscribe button. But on to today's video. So the first foundation that I wanted to share with you is my all-time favourite foundation, and that is the Rimmel Wake Me Up foundation. I absolutely love how this applies on my skin, and they have such a range of colours as well that I feel that you can't go wrong with it. It always leaves sort of like a dewy finish. I've actually got it on today, and it's not drying in any way. And I absolutely love it. It lasts absolutely ages, and it has also got SPF in it as well, which is always great. The second foundation that is one of my favourites is by NYX, and it's the Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation. And this one I love because it's so creamy and so natural looking. It's not really a high coverage foundation, so if you are looking for a high coverage foundation, this might not be for you. However, this just gives a natural look, and it's also oil free as well. It is very watery, so you don't need to apply that much, so a little goes a long way with this. I just feel as an everyday foundation, this is really easy to use and it's really cost effective as well. The third foundation is not actually a foundation, but I wanted to include it anyway because it is something that I've absolutely been loving, and that is the Bourjois City Radiance Skin Protecting Foundation Brightening Effect. This is more of sort of a BB or CC cream, and I absolutely love this one because it is anti-pollution and it also has SPF 30. So I use this one mainly in spring and summer, but I've definitely used, I'd probably say, the whole of this tube, so I really need to repurchase this one. I got this one in the colour shade Vanilla, but it's so buildable as well, and it works perfectly with my blushes, my bronzers, so I can get a really nice colour from this. So thank you for watching my latest video. Please remember to hit like. I will be back very soon with another top 3 products video, but until then, maybe have a look back at some of my other videos and catch up on what things I have been loving recently, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye bye.